full moon though.
Say hello, Jen.
Hi. Videotaping this? I gotta send this to my teacher.
Moon.
It's not yellow. It's now living.
I'm videotaping this to my teacher.
I know. I mean, are they gonna matter?
Any minute now?
Yup.
About 30 seconds.
Come on, Jeff.
5, 4.
3, 2, 1.
What do you shoot? Video?
Yep.
Jen, what are you shooting? Pictures?
Yeah.
Watch.
If it's as good as the other one, you'll see it here in a minute.
Well, then I'm gonna take.
There it is.
Here it is.
There.
There it is.
Where are we looking? Oh, that.
Yeah, they came out last time.
I'm shooting. I just turned my flash on.
Oh, it looks. That's kind of. Oh, it's moving.
You got video.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright.
Yep, that's what we get it while it's on. I mean, you gotta figure it faces us.
Yeah.
That is
Is it gone?
It's just a little speck now. It's a big shooting star going up in space.
Well, there we go, Jen. We can edit it out. Oh, there it is again. Yeah, I know it starts back up because